Welcome back to a new video of 1-2 Step. In this video we're going to talk about how to fix suspended Instagram account. If you also got this message notification where it says we suspended your account, this means you may have violated their community guidelines or terms of service. So if you know that you have violated their community guidelines or terms of service, there is nothing that you can do about it and your account will be suspended. But however, if you have done nothing and even though your account has been suspended, you can tap on this disagree with decision and then you need to type in your description something like I haven't violated the community guidelines and still my account was suspended. So you can disagree with the decision that Instagram has made for you or made for your account. Now that is the first case scenario. Either you have violated or have not violated the community guidelines. The third case scenario is if there is an issue with Instagram right now. If Instagram is facing any issues, these kind of problems do occur. So you can open up your web browser and search for downdetector.com. This is a website that lets you know any application is facing any issues. So in the search bar up top, you can search for Instagram and it's gonna give you a report. Currently it says user report indicates no current problem at Instagram. If yours says something like there is current issues, that is the exact reason why you got this notification of suspended account. So you just need to wait out a couple of hours or maybe even a day, and this notification of your Instagram suspended will be removed. You just need to uninstall the application once and again re-download and log into your account. So those are the couple of things that you can try out in order to fix suspended Instagram account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.